Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're just going to jump straight into this. We're going to get this blue color in this blunt look today. So we're going to get that using Elva's wig. I have a video on this and how I installed and everything. You guys can check that out below. But it's their 10-inch wig and it's, yeah, all the specs will be down below for you guys. So this is the length of the hair before I go into cutting it. So as you can see, I'm not just cutting his hair straight across. I'm using the point cutting technique, and that will have my shears at an angle and pointing upwards to cut. Yes, you want to bring enough hair down to create a guide. Make sure you put it in a place where your hand rests comfortably. That way you can always go back to bringing the next layer of hair down and cutting that with the same tension. So this is me still in that first back area. So this is going to be my guide. This is going to help me bring all the hair down and get it all to the same length. One thing I know about doing this haircut on a mannequin head, it does look totally different sometimes when you put it on your head. Definitely being that this isn't your head that you're cutting it on, so it will look different. So that's just something you guys can, know before doing this cut yourself. And I know it doesn't look quite even. That's because I'm going to put it on my head and see how it really looks. And then I can go back and put it on the mannequin head and adjust anything that I need to adjust. So now, you guys, I'm just going to take my husband's clippers. I'm going to use his clippers just to go ahead and make this blunt cut a little bit more precise. This is a great tool if you want to go ahead and sharpen your edges, the edge of your hair or the ends of your hair. So I just went ahead and used that to see how, to make it a little bit more blunt. So this is how it looks on my head. And I know that was really fast, but that's how it looked on my head. And I wanted to make it a tad bit shorter. So I went in with the clippers this time just to make that a more blunt and shortcut. So now I'm going to take this Quick Blue Bleaching Powder by L'Oreal and using my 20 volume cream salon care developer. And I just mix that up, you guys. I don't know the ratio. I just kind of eyeball it. And I just put that on pieces of my hair, starting with the back. And I left about a ½ inch of hair at the root so that it's not blue all over. I'll still have a dark root. To make sure you bleach every piece, make sure you use a comb to go ahead and comb through it. That way you can get more bleach on more parts of the hair. So I know this is a long process, definitely when you're bleaching the hair yourself and not using like a 613 hair. But this worked for me because I didn't want the color to be that bright, especially doing the watercolor method. So I just got it to like a little less than a honey blonde color. And this is the process here. I just boiled, or I put my water in the microwave actually. And I start putting my Adore colors in. That one is indigo blue. And then the other color that I'm going to use is Purple Rage. And I'll make sure that that's linked down for you guys. So I use some boiling water. I poured it in there and then I put my two colors in. And then I just make sure that I mix everything evenly and all together. So as you can see really quickly, this is the color blonde of hair that I achieved. It's not that blonde, but it's enough to take the color. So I dipped that in there, combing it through. I was so nervous about my cap because it's blue. I don't want a blue lace. Although it did tint, my lace did get a little blue, it still was transparent and was able to blend in. And you'll see that in the video that I previously posted. So make sure you guys check that out. So after dipping it all through, making sure that all the color was through evenly, I rinsed it out. No shampoo, I just rinsed it out. But using my 3-minute moisture conditioner by Aussie, I put that all over. And oh, this is the color, you guys. So I put that all over and I just rinsed that out. Only put it in for about 3 minutes and rinsed it out. And y'all, this might be the best part and the best investment that I did. And it was only $5, you guys. This is one of those portable hair dryers. It only cost me $5 from Shein. I'm gonna make sure I put that down below for you guys. This only took about 10 or 15 minutes to dry my entire wig. So say I taught you, okay? But yes, so this is how the look came out, you guys. I was excited about it. I love the way it came out. I do have a video on this look. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Check this out for yourself. Tell me how you feel about it, and I'll see you guys in a later video. Bye.